Hey there everyone, welcome to Gaming Basis, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how to log into your EA account. So without further ado, let's start the video on it. So first thing you gotta do is open up your web browser and type in ea.com on it. Once you type in ea.com, just hit enter. And the official EA website should open up on your web browser. On the top right section of the EA webpage, you can see an icon of a person. Just tap on it and click on sign in to log into your account. If you created your EA account through your other platforms' accounts, then just click on the respected platform icon and log in through it. But if you created your account manually, then just type in your email and password in the email and password box below it. Once you put in your details, just click on sign in. As you can see, I have logged into my account and my account is shown in the top right section of the page. And you can sign in to your account by following the same steps. But if you face any confusion, just leave your queries down in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.